Hello students, in this video lecture I will explain you about the characteristics of the mixture. A mixture is a composed of two or more substances mixed in any ratio without any chemical reaction. So whenever a mixture is made, okay, then there is no chemical reaction take place among themselves, and they simply mixed with one another without going any chemical change. Okay, so there is no chemical change, no new substances is being formed. A mixture can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. So a mixture can be homogeneous, either it can be homogeneous or it can be heterogeneous. For example, say homogeneous mixture, just now we have discussed, in the previous lectures we have discussed about say sugar and water, right? So when we dissolve sugar in water, so that is a homogeneous mixture. Then salt and water is a homogeneous mixture, okay. And heterogeneous mixtures, we have seen that sand and water, you can consider that example as heterogeneous mixture. A mixture retain the properties of the constituent. So whatever in a mixture the constituent particle, whatever the constituent particles are there, they retain their properties. That means they maintain their properties. They do not go any change while forming the mixture. Understood? The components of the mixture can be separated by suitable physical methods. So with the help of any type of suitable physical method, okay, distillation, fractional distillation, or evaporation, okay, etc., there are many methods we'll go through, okay. So we can easily separate them out, okay. Now formation of a mixture is not accompanied by any energy change. Now whenever there is some mixture is formed, there is no change in the energy. No heat is evolved and no heat is absorbed also. So we can say that neither the heat is evolved nor the heat is absorbed. So during the formation of a mixture, so during the formation of any mixture, there is no change in the energy. Some questions are given here. Assess yourself. So you should go through what does the formula of the compound signifies. Yeah. So first of all, the formula of the compound signifies that it is a pure substance. Yeah. And composition is definite. What are the elements taking part? Okay, the name of the compound. Yes, so these are the significance of a formula. Write the formula of the following compound: sugar, washing soda, marble, sand, given in the next page. Okay, you can go through from table 3.4, you can go through, I have shown you just now. Okay, and then explain the valency in the following compound: ammonia, methane. Okay, in ammonia, the valency of nitrogen, the formula of ammonia is NH3. So the valency of nitrogen in ammonia is 3 and hydrogen is 1. In methane, formula is CH4. The valency of carbon is 4 and hydrogen is 1. Draw the flow chart of chemical mixtures. So already it is given. You can draw it nicely. Here it is given. You can see figure 3.1. Next, what are the different groups of mixtures? So different groups of mixtures, just you need to write, no need to write in details. Okay, what are the various groups of mixtures, you can write over here. Okay, so in this video lectures I will end this. Okay, so we have completed the topic mixture. Next video lecture I will start from methods of separation. Okay, thank you.